Hello my dear students, welcome back to the channel. पिला माने आज आमे माने क्लास 8 रो स्टोरी बुक रो पार्ट 2 लेसन 2 रो द थीप एंड द टाइगर विषय रो पोस्ट डिस्कशन करिवे। पिला माने प्रीवियस वीडियो रे आमे माने ऑलरेडी रो SCP1 SCP2 SCP3 डिस्कशन करि सारी छै। जे माने भी से वीडियो देखिना डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रो लिंक अछि, चेक करिके देखिनियो। चलो पोस्ट रीडिंग टी स्टार्ट करिवा। प्रथमे हमरो किछि MCQ क्वेश्चन अछि। Choose the correct alternative and complete the each sentence. The thief put a bridle on the tiger's mouth. When the tiger and the thief saw each other, both were frightened. जेतेबेले कोन बाघटी चोर को से ताको जेतेबेले उभय को देखिले उभय डरी गले। What a good luck, said the wolf. एटा के कहला कि सुंदर भाग्य, एटा के कहला गधिया कहला। The wolf's final plan was to eat the dead body. तार शेष योजनाटी थिला से dead body को खाइबा पाई। Then seeing the thief, the tiger ran for life, dragging the wolf. से तार जीवन बंचाई गधिया को टाणी टाणी नहीं गला। Then B number, given below are some sentences. They are about what happened in the story, but they are not in right order. Fill in the boxes with correct serial number to rearrange the sentence. ए sentence गुड़ा को हमको order wise लिखिया पे पड़िबो, क्रमर लिखिया पे पड़िबो, कोटा first sentence कोटा second sentence ए भली करिया पे पड़िबो। First sentence टी होची, once a thief came inside the stable to steal a horse. Then second sentence होची, at night a tiger entered the stable. Then third re, the tiger among the horses stood silently. Then fourth re, it was dark everywhere. Then fifth re, he thought the tiger to be the best horse. Then sixth re, he climbed up a tree. Then seventh re, the tiger fell asleep like a dead man. Then eighth re, the wolf requested the tiger to drag the man. Then ninth number, the wolf and the tiger tied each other with a rope. Then 10th re, the thief got up. Then last 11 re अछि कोना, the tiger ran for life dragging the wolf. Then पिला माने ए टेबुल रे किछि कैरेक्टर दिया जाई छी आ किछि वर्ड्स दिया जाई छी। ठीक अछि, को वर्ड गुडी को कैरेक्टर सहित मैच होउची सेटा हमें टिक चिन्ह दबा। ठीक अछि, स्ट्रॉन्ग होउची के ना हॉर्स, फ्लेश थीप ना नहीं चोरर मांसटी थिला, ड्रैग वुल्फ काहा को घोषड़ा काहा को टणा जाईथिला, वुल्फ को टणा जाईथिला। देन स्टील होउची के थीप चोरटी कोन करथला चोरी करूथला। देन स्विफ्ट होउची के ना हॉर्स, स्पीड होउची हॉर्स, सर्च होउची थीप चोरटी खोजुथला घोड़ा को। देन राइड होउची के थीप चोरटी चालना करूथला। स्टेबल होउची हॉर्स घोड़ाशाल। रन टाइगर, डेड वुल्फ, ब्रांच थीप, फॉरेस्ट होउची टाइगर, ब्रिडल होउची हॉर्स। देन ब्रांच थीप, फॉरेस्ट टाइगर, ब्रिडल हॉर्स, स्लेप्ट थीप। देन मैच हु लिव्स वेयर, मैच करिबा केउ माने केउठारे बसवास करंती। राइट द सीरियल नंबर्स इन ब्रैकेट, ब्रैकेट भीतर तार सीरियल नंबर लिखिया पई पड़िबो। वन इज डन फॉर यू, गोटे तुम मानक पई कर देई छी। हॉर्स पिला माने कोठी रहे, हॉर्स रहउथवा स्थान को स्टेबल कहा जाए, काउ रहउथवा स्थान को काउ शेड कहा जाए, डॉग रहउथवा स्थान को केनल कहा जाए, लायन रहउथवा स्थान को डेन कहा जाए। 48 लिखा है डेन कहा जाए। देन स्पाइडर रहउथवा स्थान को वेब कहा जाए, बी रहउथवा स्थान को हाइव कहा जाए, माउस रहउथवा स्थान को होल कहा जाए। देन रैबिट रहउथवा स्थान को ब्यूरो कहा जाए, बर्ड रहउथवा स्थान को नेस्ट कहा जाए, किंग रहउथवा स्थान को पैलेस कहा जाए। देन मैन रहउथवा स्थान को हाउस कहा जाए। देन इन कंप्रेशन एक्टिविटी नंबर 2, you have arranged the sentence of the story. Use the sentence serially and write the story in the space given below. ये जो स्पेस देछि हमको स्टोरीटा लिखिया पई पड़िबो द थीप एंड द टाइगर विषय रे। Once a thief came inside the stable to steal a horse. At night, a tiger entered the stable. The tiger among the horses stood silently. It was dark everywhere. He thought the tiger to be the best horse. He climbed up a tree. The thief fell asleep like a dead man. The wolf requested the tiger to drag the man. The wolf and the tiger tied each other with a rope. The thief got up. The tiger ran for life, dragging the wolf. Where did the thief and the tiger hide? Why? The, ha- the hide the hide in the king's stable. The thief wanted to steal a horse. The tiger thought of eating man's flesh. Then second question, why did the thief think the tiger to be the best horse? He thought so because the back of the tiger gave him a smooth and silky touch. Then third question, why was the thief frightened when it was day? When it was day, the thief saw that he was riding a tiger, not a horse, so he became frightened. Then how did he save himself? When the tiger was passing under a tree, the thief caught hold of one branch of the tree and climbed up. Thus he saved himself. Where did the thief take rest? Why did he fall asleep? The thief took rest under the tree. He fell he fell asleep because he was tired. ସେ କ୍ଳାନ୍ତ ଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଶୋଇପଡ଼ିଲା. What was the wolf's plan? ଗଧିଆର ଯୋଜନା କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? The wolf planned to drag the dead body to the forest as it would be enough for his food for a week. What sort of help did the wolf want from the tiger? What was his offer to him? The wolf wanted the tiger to help him drag the body to the forest. He agreed to offer of the dead body to the tiger. Then, what was the tiger's suspicion? The tiger feared that the wolf would cheat him and run away, leaving him alone. Why did the two animals tie each other with a rope? The two animals tied each other with a rope so that neither of them could run away, leaving another. What did the tiger do when the thief shouted at him? When the thief shouted at him, the tiger ran as fast as he could. Then, what did the tiger promise? The tiger promised not to desire for human flesh. Then, what did the thief stop doing? The thief stopped stealing. ପିଲାମାନେ, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.